Good evening, guys. I'll be starting with the live analysis within 2-3 minutes. Good evening, Taranpreet. Hi, Srinivas. Good evening, Anup. Hi, guys. Nice to see that you guys are very active today. Hi, hi, people. Did all the giveaway winners got the 10k LiveX Capital account? Rajkumar, I usually don't prefer to calculate the stop loss with the pips actually because I'll be risking in the percentage wise using the swing low that I'll be showing while I'm taking the trade today. Because stop loss with the swings is a good setup. So guys, just tell me on which pair shall I start with the analysis. Gold. Okay, I'll be analyzing with the gold and likes. Like I need likes for the live trade with the, so that it encourages me a lot to give good trades. Nice, Rajkumar. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the likes. So I'll be starting with the analysis. So as you people are asking, I'll be starting with the gold. We have a proper flow actually. Before taking the trade, we'll be starting with the forex market. Sorry, forex factory. Like we'll be watching for the news if there is any news in the forex factory. We'll first look into forex factory. That is the first step we'll be doing every day while taking trades. So it's 27th May and there was a news at 5:30 a.m. So it doesn't affect us much for today. So yeah, we can take the trades, guys. We can easily take the trades on any pairs. No issues. Okay, Kaustubh. I'll be also analyzing the crude oil. So guys, one more thing, like if you don't have any prop account to trade with me, you can just use LiveX Capital. So that you can also I'll be using LiveX Capital and I'll be using 50k account. If you people are okay with 5k or 10k, you can just go with the small size account with me, and also you'll be getting 15% off on it if you use the code PASS15. Unemployment data, Taranpreet. It affects a lot. You have to be very careful during unemployment data. So first, like people who don't have the account, I'll be exploring the LiveX Capital first. You can just watch through it. So this is our prop. So what you will be getting 90% up to 90% profit split, multi-platform flexibility, access to global trade instruments like Forex commodities. In here, in our platform, the main advantages will be trading with the crypto as well in the weekends, where most of the prop doesn't allow to take trades in the weekends, because that is non-trading days according to most of the prop rules. But we'll be allowing to trade on crypto as well on the weekends. That is one major advantage from our prop. And you'll be getting weekly payouts up to like from 70% to 90% profit split. So we have two step actually, like we have two options. First is step 1 and step 2. Like what I prefer is I usually trade on two-step accounts, so that it is little it's cost effective and little easy to clear, because the rules are little flexible. So in the two-step 10k account, like I started with 10k account, or else you can also start with 5k account. For 5k account we are charging $45, where you will be getting 15% off on it if you use the if you use the coupon code PAS15. So first you have to click on buy challenge. Start a new challenge, 5k account. Here you can use our coupon code PAS15 using caps lock. PAS15. Apply. So you'll be getting this account for $45 USD. For 10k account you'll be getting for 63.75 USD, where it is $75. If you don't have any prop, you can just buy our LiveX Capital and you'll be getting weekly payout. You can just trade with me, guys. Guys, do you have any doubt regarding our prop? Rajkumar, like you can just like if you are in any WhatsApp group, my number is available on the WhatsApp group. My name is Dhanushaj Gowda, so you can directly message me over there. After I created double bottom pattern, I'll be going to bearish trend. I'll also look into USDJPY Tarampet. Already cleared my 5k account. What is the next step I have to do? Shri Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh, did you clear both the phases? So Satya, like 3 people have already got the payout, so you can just check over it. So Rakesh, you have to clear the phase 2 as well. After you clear the phase 2, you have to do the KYC. Once the KYC is done, you will get the live account. There you can make the profits, and be careful, trade patiently, make some profits, take the first payout. First payout will be like a weekly payout. Like most of the other platform will provide you bi-weekly payout, but we will be providing weekly payouts. For you can trade for the whole week and take the payout. So yeah, I'll start with the analysis, guys. First I'll look into gold. So as you guys can see, the gold is purely consolidating from past 1.5 month. These are the zones. See, this was April 14th. From past 1.5 month, gold is consolidating. So as I can see, the candle is bearish. We don't have a proper trend in higher time frame. But by looking into this candle, we can sense there can be a bearish move, but it can be 50-50, guys. There is no proper clarity with respect to higher time frame. We'll look into daily time frame. So in daily time frame, also market is looking bearish. So, there is no proper key levels in gold, guys. See, this is proper consolidation. Is what I suggest is instead of going for a bad trade for the day, just be patient, wait for a good setup, and take a trade. Not losing anything is better than losing money. It's better to not trade when you're not finding a proper setup. That is what I do actually. So I'm suggesting it. Like we have a lot of strategies. Like there are hundreds of strategies. We can use anything and we can just scalp or take a trade. But if it's not back tested, if it's not a proper setup according to you, it's better to skip the trade. So as of now, I don't have proper levels in gold. So I'll be skipping. If you want, like if I don't find any setups in at the end of the till the end of the live session, I'll be scalping in gold. If you want, if you guys want. So and with the scalping strategy, you'll be risking very less, 0.25% or 5% of 0.5% of your capital. So I'll look into USDJPY. This is not USDJPY. I'll look into weekly time frame bias first. So see how market has mitigated the weekly time frame FVG and it's moving. I had set the stop final TP here, so it mitigated our weekly FVG and it's coming to our target. So as of now, my bias is bearish in the higher time frame because market has mitigated our higher time frame FVG and it's moving towards our target. But if you look into the daily time frame, it's looking bullish because these are order block and it's giving a good move towards this point. Like what I feel is market will reach this level and this is my view, guys, with respect to USDJPY. We can expect a bullish move from here, but overall bias is bearish. It has to meet this target, but I feel somewhere it will retrace, maybe from this point itself it will retrace and give us a good bearish move. Yeah, this can be our IFEG, guys. Wait, I'll darken the color. So this can be our IFEG. So market, okay, there is also FEG over here. Market can tap into this FEG and target this order block. Guys, here I won't be just giving the trades, guys. I'll also be explaining my view so that if I'm not taking the for example, if I'm explaining my view and if your guys are setting the alerts at that levels, you can take the trades. Though we are not in the live session, you can take those trades. That is the reason I'll also be explaining my view as well. So what I feel is from here market can mitigate this FEG and move up. Yeah, there is also okay. This can be a proper setup, but as of now there is no proper level steps. guys, we'll just see, we'll look for a proper setup till the end. Still I'll be taking for another 40-45 minutes. Till then we'll be looking for a proper setup in different pairs. If you are not finding any proper setup, then only we'll be looking for a scalping strategy. Like here also we can show this is a proper order block. This can be a this thing stop loss, and we can target 1:2 at least, or 1:3. But as of now, this is not a proper setup. This is not a high accuracy trade. So we are going bullish. As I told, from in daily time frame, it's moving from our daily time frame order block, and the candle is purely bullish candle. Okay. We'll wait here. We'll set an alert for this level. So as of now, we don't have a proper setup. We'll wait. I've set an alert over there. We can take a trade once market reaches there. So which is the next chart I'll be analyzing. Like you can just suggest me, guys. So hi Shrik, like Rakesh, you can just message me over WhatsApp, and I'll guide you the further process. What is the actual step to do in the further? So Jason, I selected USDJPY because one of our friend had asked me to look into USDJPY chart. Rajkumar, you can just ping me over WhatsApp or call, so that I'll be guiding you how to start with the Forex trading. So yeah, I'll just analyze USD, Euro USD. This higher time frame bias is very important. Please don't neglect higher time frame bias. That is how I take good trades. I just look into higher time frame bias because that is what moves the market. We are taking trades on higher time frame bias in lower time frame confirmation. That's it. Like what people mistake is like they have a wrong assumption that we are taking trades on lower time frame. That is 5 minutes, 15 minutes. That is not how we take the trades. That is just a scalping where you'll be taking trades in 5-15 minutes and take the entry in 1 minute. The proper trading is like you have to look into the higher time frame bias, see the market where it is moving, because that is what moves the market, and you'll be having like you'll be taking a confirmation entry in lower time frame. That's it. For just for a confirmation, you'll be looking into 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 3 minutes, but we'll be taking trades at higher time frame, that is 4 hour, 1 hour. And for the bias, for the direction of the market, we'll be looking into weekly time frame. This is how I do actually. So as we can see, market is moving from this FEG. So I am expecting bullish move in the future for EURUSD. As we can see here, these are daily time frame FVG. So our bias is purely bullish. From here, we'll be looking for only buy position. So it has also mitigated our 4-hour order block. So we can expect slight pullback from here. We can also, though the bias is bullish, we can expect slight pullback from these levels because this is our FEG. Here is our FEG, and market may pull back, and there is a opportunity to capture that pullback. Guys, from here we'll be going long in EURUSD. Swing low as stop loss. I'll just adjust my sorry. Okay, we can move our so once market reaches this level, we can go for a long position in EURUSD. The stop loss is too high. We set an alert. Guys, what I am doing right now is a high probability setup. Like for this, you have to just mark on your chart, or else you can also place a pending order. I'll be teaching how to place the pending order. So you can just place the pending order and wait for the market to reach to our levels. We are not doing any we are not rushing towards taking the trades. We have to wait patiently till the market reaches our levels, so that we'll be taking proper trades. So here I'll not only be giving trades, but I'll also be teaching you about the risk management, about the psychology as well. So Jason, I'll be teaching how to find FEG. Yeah, Charanpreet, you can use any of the order block indicators. Like what I am using is, it's a manual script actually. That is not available in TradingView, or you can just use any of the trading indicator, or else you can manually mark the order blocks. But using the indicators are for our easy trading actually. Like if you want to trade with less efforts, you can just use the indicators. That is for our advantage. Hope you guys have marked the levels in EURUSD. Oh, we have missed a trade opportunity in US oil, guys. Guys, you can trade, like you can just take a trade in EURUSD. Wait. So guys, we can plan a trade. We can plan for a trade in USDJPY. Sorry, US oil. Okay, we have missed an opportunity. That's okay, guys. If market again reaches our levels, we'll go for a trade in US oil. Okay, as you can see, US oil is also consolidating. As gold is consolidating, even US oil is also consolidating from past 1.5 month. We could have planned for an entry here, guys. It's okay. We missed one opportunity, and that's okay. Already gave us 1:2. Okay, no need to rush. 3. I'll just set an alert in this also. Okay, my trading view premium has been expired. So let us wait. Let us see. So once we have missed the opportunity, we shouldn't take the trade till market again reaches back to our levels. So what you guys do is most of them, like you'll get into FOMOs, like fear of missing out the trades. It's better to wait patiently. Like with the last trade as well, which I took in the last live session, some of our friend asked me to like whether he could take the trade in the market price, but I told them to wait so that market reached to our entry level again, and we took the trade, and it gave us 1:4, I guess, but we booked at 1:2 or 1:3, but it gave us 1:4. Like usually when I am trading with my personal account, I book once market gave when the market reaches 1:2, I'll be bringing my stop loss to break even, and I'll target 1:3 or 1:4 sometimes if there is a good move. So here we have missed an opportunity in US oil, and that's okay. We'll see. There are a lot of things. It's okay, Girish. So Girish, like I'll be setting my entry point, SL and target in the chart as well, and it will be highlighted over there. So as you can see here, see it's been highlighted. This gray marking is my entry point, 60.86. This red writing, like this, the red thing is my SL, and the green thing is the TP. You can easily note it down over here itself. Guys, do you need any scalping trade at the end, or are you guys looking for only safe trades? Just comment in the chat box so that I'll be clear like with what I'm doing. I just want what you people are expecting, a proper I setup trade, or like I'll be planning for proper I setup trade, but in my live session, if I'm not getting a proper I setup trade, I'll be going for a scalping trade like which is of less win rate. Like you can just expect 50% win rate. Let's just comment in the chat box like what you guys prefer. If you guys want a scalping trade, I'll be giving the scalping trade as well. Safe trade. Guys, I want everyone to be active. Okay, as many most of them are asking for a safe trade. I'll be giving safe trades only, but I'll also I'll also give a scalping trade at the last 5-10 minutes, so that whoever want to take the entry, you guys can also trade in the scalp. But you'll be risking only 0.25% or 0.5 percentage of your total capital. And I'll also be showing my one more trade which I took actually in the LiveX Capital with the 50k account. I'm already in 4% up, guys. I just took two trades in 50k capital account. So here is my closed position. So this oh yeah, this was the trade. Like this, I risked $500. That is 1% of my total capital, where 1:2 was done. That too in the live trade, which I took on Friday or Saturday. Friday, I guess. Yeah, and this was on Monday. That is yesterday, I guess. Yeah. 26th. Yeah, this trade I took yesterday, and this was on Friday. Both were target done. Both I risked 1%, 1%. So I'm already up by 4%, guys. Like the target is of 8%, that is 400 USD, and I already achieved 2000, that is 4% of my profit. If I achieve 4 more percent, I'll be clearing 50k account, so that I'll be jumping into the second phase where my target is less. In the in the second phase, the target yeah, so the target percentage is $500. Sorry, 5%. Now it's 8%. There is no SLs. No, yesterday there was no live session, guys. Guys, so we'll be going for a scalping trade in gold. Like safe traders don't take the trade. I prefer not to risk much. Everyone can take the trade, but I prefer not to risk much. Let it be 0.25 or 0.5%. Guys, it's just a scalping trade. So I'll be teaching how to take the order. It's just click on new order, pending order. So look into the trading view, like where you have marked the levels. It is at 3321.266. 3312, sorry, 3312.266. This is my entry point. I'll be placing my stop loss as well. What is my stop loss? 3319.2. 3319.23. So it's 0.1% of my capital. Here I can easily alter the position size. So if it's 0.1 lot, it's 0.13%. Usually I risk 1% of my total capital. So if it's 0.9 lots, it's 1.21. I'll be reducing it. If it's 0.8, okay, 0.75. So this will be proper 1% of my total capital. I have set the sell limit. As we have not looked into any higher time frame bias. Higher time frame bias was purely consolidating in gold. So I don't have a proper view. We'll wait for market to reach to our levels. This is a proper scalping strategy. Like we'll look into, like we'll be targeting 1:2. Guys, did you guys place the pending order? And I want my people to be very active in the live session. I need encouragement from you guys. Did you guys place the pending order? I'll be showing the levels again. So the entry is at 3312.27. The SL is 3319.24 and the target is 3298.3. Good balance. And guys, there is one good news at the last. You will have to be patient to listen for that good news. I'll be telling it at 7:15 or 7:20. Now also we can scalp, but the thing is, in the scalping also I'm looking for high probability scalping trade. We can also sell at the market price, but I'm not looking forward to do that because that is very less accuracy thing. So I want my people to take high probability trades only. Like as other forex influencers or the forex traders, I can just give you lot of trades within that 1 hour time frame where I'll be taking the live trades. But I want you guys to take high accuracy trades. So uh, I'm making sure that you people wait with patient or and take the trades when market reaches our levels, or else we are not trading for the day. Guys, do you agree with what I'm telling? And guys, one more thing I want to clarify that mine will not be live trading session. This will be live analysis session. Like I'll be analyzing the market. Live trading is the, like in the live trading session I'll have to give the trade, but my motto is not to give just the trades. I'll also be explaining how the market moves, what is the view, how you can trade by yourself in the future. Everything will be explained in my session, and it will be live analysis session. You can just call it as analysis or a live session, not the live trading session. I'm happy that our people are very active today. I'm getting lot of comments in the chat box. Very happy to see these guys, but I also need a lot of likes. Likes are very less. Likes are lesser than comments. Just give a like if you really feel. I'm not asking for the likes. Like I need it if you people feel what I'm doing is right. That's it. Just a second, Avinash. So the target is 3293.729. You can just see over here. This is the target. I've also marked in the trading view in the LiveX Capital. We'll wait for other 5-10 minutes. If market reach our levels, it's fine, or else we are not trading. That's it. At the end of the way, we are not losing anything. I have repeated, Avinash. Thank you so much, Valin. Guys, as this is scalping uh, trade, we can do two things. There are two scenarios. One, we can wait for the market to reach this levels and we can go short, or else we can also buy at this level with tight SL. I'm looking for two opportunities, guys. I've also set an okay. I'll be setting an alert over here. Market reaches this level, will buy at the market price. I know the chart is very confusing for you guys. There are two scenarios. We can also buy at this level. We'll be looking if market reaches this level, we'll go for a buy. This is just a scalping again. I am again telling this is of low, like for my other strategies, this is a low win rate trade, but also yeah, if it is also a low winning trade, it is having an accuracy between 45 to 55%. Guys, shall we set an pending order in here as well to go long in gold? So yeah, just buy in the market price, guys. Let us keep a buffer for this over here. Let us just wait till this candle close. Let us be little patient. Let us wait till this candle close because this is a proper bearish candle. Guys, just buy in the market price. Market. I just bought at the market price. Guys, just buy in the market price, and the stop loss is and the stop loss is 3293.225. So I have risked 0.5% because it is just a scalping trade. I have risked 0.5% of my capital. So okay, there is a strong move towards downside. That's okay, guys. Guys, here we have reached just 0.5% of our capital. This is again I am telling this is just a scalping trade which I have given. See how properly the market has retraced from our stop loss point. It was just miss, guys. So Srinivas, that is that is my personalized indicator. For that you need a script. Like I have a script. Using a script, I have placed in TradingView. This was our entry point. This was our stop loss. And we are targeting 1:2. If you have missed the trade, you can also buy at this level. Buy at the market price. But risking, and I am again reminding you, you will be risking 0.25 or 0.5%. 0.25 is enough. As you guys are just beginners, you can just risk 0.25% of your capital. I'm scalping and I have gone long on gold. Guys, risk management is very important in trading. Without a proper risk management, you can never be a successful trader. Because I knew this was a low probability trade, I risked 0.5% of my capital. Where else, in the other, like with my other funded accounts or my other prop and all, I used to risk 1% or 2% if I find a proper setup. But as of now, I have risked 0.5%. As you guys can see, I'm already in 4% up. If it hits the SL also, I'll be in loss under 0.5 percentage. Whereas at the end of the day, I'll be in 3.5% profit. This is how we trade, guys. Every strategies are good, but proper risk management makes the difference. Why I am saying this is a low probability trade is we have not looked into the bias. We are just scalping because we didn't get the entry with the proper setup. We just scalped. So our stop loss is set. So no need to worry, guys. We have just lost 0.5% of our capital. So we have already in, like, yeah, in the future you'll also, okay, there you can see a strong bearish move. We can further expect fall till here, this level, and from here market might move up. Okay, that's okay, guys. Waiting for the retest to hit the stop loss. Yeah, Rakesh, if you like, if you want to risk, you can just like I had already given you a buy setup, sorry, sell setup in the beginning with the gold. If market returns back to our like the selling pending order, you can just take the trade. And once market gives 1:1, you can bring your stop loss to break even. So no need to worry, guys. I'll be coming on live tomorrow as well. We'll find for a proper setup. This was a scalping technique. I'm also repeating it again. This is of low probability trades. Safe traders. If I am telling this is a scalping trade or scalping technique, you guys, if you are a safe trader, better to neglect from next time. Okay. Guys, you can just ask the question. If you guys have any question, you can just ask it. Guys, you can just comment on the chat box like who and all felt bad because it hit our stop loss. Are you guys feeling bad? Okay, sorry Praveen, I forgot about it. Very good, Girish, very good. So yeah, the good news is from now, every week we'll be announcing two giveaways, two 10K account giveaways to everyone. Like we'll be selecting it based on your activity, like how active you are. I will be judging based upon your activeness. Yeah. So we'll be announcing two giveaways every week. 10K account, that is 10K, which is worth of $75. Yeah, that is the good news, universe. So we'll be announcing two 10K. We'll be giving two 10K accounts to our people. Like we'll be announcing based on the activity, like how active you people are every week. That is every week from now. And before announcing, I'll be just posting it on our community. That Avinash, if you want to risk, you can risk, or else if you can just cancel the pending order, because that is a scalp. I just wanted to scalp. I cancel. You can just cancel the pending order. If it was a proper setup, I would have told you to. I would have suggested you to keep the pending order, because this is just a scalping trade. Cancel the pending order, Avinash. And others also, just cancel the pending order. We will look for tomorrow. So I'll be ending with the live trade as of now. So bye guys. Just a second, Girish. These are our levels. So market is approaching our EURUSD levels. We'll see. Guys, you can take the trade on EURUSD as well. Oh, it triggered our entry point. You can just buy in the market levels. But yeah, let us see. Like already market reached our entry point, and I had forgot to place the pending order. See how the market is retracing properly from my entry point. Guys, have anyone placed the pending order in EURUSD? Guys, whenever I mark, just place the pending order. If I am telling a good probability setup, just place the pending order. Don't wait for me to place a pending order. You just place it off. So as you guys can see how the market retraced from our entry point, exactly from our entry point. It almost gave us 1:0.5 or 0.6. See the retracement properly from our entry point. We missed this trade, guys. We should have been little patient and took the trade directly in EURUSD. As soon as market gave us 1:1, we could have brought our stop loss to break even. So let us see, let us wait and watch what happens. So I'll be ending with the live session as of now. Yeah, Rakesh, you can just wait for the candle to close. If there is a proper retracing candle, you can take the trade in EURUSD as well. So bye guys, I'll be ending the... It's okay, Girish. Bye, meet you tomorrow guys. Bye.